Hello again. Another fairly grey day for most places today, and another dry day for most places. As always, there's a couple of exceptions. The main exception to the dry story, Devon and Cornwall, where we are seeing a few heavy showers. Still even here, somewhat hit and miss, but where they do develop this afternoon, we could even catch a rumble of thunder, flash of lightning. So one or two scattered but heavy showers in the far southwest. Bit of drizzle in the far northeast as well. Lots of cloud coming in on this fairly brisk breeze, bringing in the moisture from the North Sea. But a few pockets seeing some sunshine, western parts of Scotland, westernmost fringes of Wales, and the far southeast of England also. And where we see some sunshine, that's where we'll see the highest temperatures, 25, 26 degrees Celsius. Cooler, obviously, where it stays fairly gloomy, feeling quite chilly on some of those North Sea coasts. And when we compare those temperatures to the average for the time of year, we can see we're a little bit above, of course, westernmost parts of Scotland, the west coast of Wales, and those south coast of England, but many central and eastern parts around average, but that cooler feel along some of those North Sea coasts. That brisk breeze will continue to bring in a little bit of drizzle over northeast England and southeast Scotland during the evening. Still a few showers around for a time this evening across the southwest, but they do move away overnight, so most places become dry. And notice clearer skies starting to develop across Scotland, the cloud breaking up a little bit more here. Now that will allow things to turn a bit cooler, temperatures down into single figures here, whereas further south another fairly mild night, 14 to 16 Celsius. But the cooler air and the clearer air is heading south. So a sunnier day tomorrow. Starts pretty glum again across most of England and Wales, even a little bit of drizzle here and there, but generally the cloud will break up. Plenty of sunshine across central Scotland, Northern Ireland, and for England and Wales, come mid to late morning, that cloud should be breaking up again. Still the possibility it stays a bit grey on some of those North Sea coasts. It may take most of the day before the cloud breaks in the southwest of England, but generally much more sunshine to come tomorrow. It is cooler air, however, so temperatures perhaps similar to today's values. Feeling a little fresher in the evenings in particular, but during the day with some sunshine, with light winds, feeling quite pleasant with those temperatures, again close to the average for the time of year. The cloud should melt away a little further in the southwest during the evening, and that's when those temperatures will drop, and you'll probably notice that difference through Wednesday evening quite a bit, feeling a lot fresher. But generally speaking, high pressure remains in control of our weather. High pressure will continue to mean dry weather for the majority through the rest of this week. Good spells of sunshine likely on Thursday and Friday, perhaps a bit more cloud into the weekend. Something else we need to watch into the weekend, a bank holiday weekend for England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Way out in the Atlantic, well, firstly, there are some areas of low pressure, but then over here, off the eastern seaboard of the United States, by Friday, this is the position of the tropical system Erin. At time of recording, a powerful hurricane. It is going to move northwards. It will change as it does so, but it's likely to influence our weather. Not directly, because even by the time we get to Sunday, it's still way out here, but does need watching because it is going to influence our weather and potentially bring us more low pressure systems. So something to keep an eye on over the coming days. If you want more on that, well, Aidan has lots more in this week's Met Office Deep Dive. That will be available on our YouTube channel by Tuesday afternoon.